I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming you have an administrator account. This is required to remove most programs. Once logged in, open Control Panel, choose Programs and then Programs and Features so the installed list appears. Make sure to scan the list and note the exact program name, size, and install date. This avoids removing the wrong item. If the list is long, use the search box in the upper right to filter quickly. This saves time and prevents mistakes. You'll select the target program and click Uninstall or Change, then follow the on-screen prompts. Read each dialog to avoid bundled extras. For complex apps or suites, use the vendor's uninstaller when available because it removes services and drivers more thoroughly. Once the uninstaller finishes, make sure to inspect /program files, /program files, x86, and %appdata% for leftover folders. Delete only. You'll complete the process by rebooting. That finalizes removal of services and registry entries. Once booted, check msconfig or Task Manager to disable any orphan startup entries related to the app and remove any remaining shortcuts. If the uninstaller fails, make sure to try repair mode from the installer or boot into safe mode and run the uninstall again. This prevents background processes from blocking removal. If problems persist, note error messages and search for vendor cleanup tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.